how to buy Muppets token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money using crypto with the best referral code simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 19,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, we will use the PancakeSwap swaps. Now open the PancakeSwap swap as you can see here. First of all, connect your wallet. Now select your wallet from here. If you don't find it, now click on this more and you can select your token from here or your wallet from here. Now I will use the OKX wallet. Now first of all, I will just select it. Now after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, if you don't find your token here, now go back to this token page on the explainer, copy the token address from here and go back to PancakeSwap. Now click here as you can see. So after that, what you need to do is just paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on import. Click I understand. Now click on import. So after that, what you need to do, from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy the token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Muppets token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.